Good morning everybody, it's Pastor Pete here from the UK. It's another silver update on the 2nd of February 2013. There's been a lot of static in the silver market over the last few days, and we've been trading between kind of 30.8 and around 33 over the last couple of weeks. Now, I predicted about a week ago that we would see a short in silver down to about 30 and then a rally up to 35 again, and I've been unsure about what's happening with the market recently until today, which is why I haven't updated, because we've not had a COT. It was a bit late coming in yesterday, and I've not really had a lot of intel in the markets for the last few days, so I wanted to give you an idea of what I tend to do when it's like that, when you don't really have a lot of information that's good, you don't know where the price is going, you've not had a COT for a while, and I wanted to just have a look at this YouTube by David Smith, who's the analyst for the Morgan report, and in this particular YouTube, which I would recommend, he says that when you're in a position the same as we are at the moment, where we're not sure what the market is doing, it's best to hold a position and consolidate where you are and not make any trades until you actually know what the market's going to do. And I think that's really wise. I put a short position in when I saw the COT a couple of weeks ago when it was around 33, so I thought it was going to fall to 30, and I've been tempted to pull that contract. This is on the demo area. I like to trade the demos at the moment, and I've been tempted to pull that position, but I think David Smith gives some really wise words here. He says that the Greeks beat the Persians by, when the Persians retreated, the Greeks also pulled back and consolidated their position and built better ships and stuff, and then when the Persians came again, they beat them. And I think that's very wise. I think if you're in a situation where you don't know what's going to happen, it's best to hold, not invest, and not sell off, which is what I've decided to do now. The information that I'm currently getting from the Commitment of Traders report, for those of you who don't know this report, it shows it shows the details of the large traders in the silver contract market as to what they're doing, and this particular report shows 3,000 shorts placed, which indicates that they're expecting to still have some movement downwards in the silver market. So I'm hesitant to change my position. They are still short in this market, in my opinion, and that means that I'm going to continue with my position. Now, the other thing that's quite confusing on the Commitment of Traders this week is there's been a massive amount of movement in the contracts in the gold price. So you see here there's 30,000 less contracts open in gold at the moment, of which there was 11,000 shorts removed in the swap dealer area, and this indicates that there's been some change in this market, either manipulation or other. Hoping that Brother John or David Morgan or David Smith will give us an update on this, these indicators, because I'm not sure really what it means. But in essence, it's saying that there's 7,000 extra longs in the producer and 8,000 in the swap dealers for long on gold, which indicates that there's going to be a rally in gold over the next couple of months. Now, the other thing that indicates that is this article on silverdoctors.com, where JP Morgan are predicting gold to be $1,800 by the middle of 2013 due to the mining crisis in South Africa. Now, whether you believe that that's the main price rally driver is up to you really, but in essence, when JP Morgan say that there's going to be a rise, they're one of the main market players in this market, so is worth taking note of that. So I think we are going to see a rally in gold over the next couple of months. The commitment of traders certainly indicates that that is going to be the case, with the 15,000 extra long positions. The Forex that net Dania chart is indicating a real static market. I think it's going to head to the short in the short term in silver, and then we're going to test the 40 resistance point by the summer. And yeah, check out these resources. The commitment of traders is at cftc.gov. Silverdoctors.com has always got some great intel from industry leaders. The net Dania charts are on netdania.com. They enable you to see historic information. And then we've got the YouTubes from silver-investor.com, the Silver Guru on YouTube. So check those out, and yeah, check out the interesting positions on gold as well, on the COT, because I'd like to have your intel on that. What do you think that means? Where do you think the price is going to go? I'm predicting 30.5 in silver, followed by testing the 40 resistance point by the summer. Anyway, it's dangerous out there, so be careful out there. That's it for now.